Just visit this website, choose a product, then search for some keyword, find some traffic, and you're all set. I'm making a lot of money with this and you can do the same. Hey guys, I hope you're ready for a life-changing video because today I'm going to show you a simple Google trick to make over $1,500 weekly. And this doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. And if you're a maximalist like I am, then make sure to watch the whole video with focus, because I'm going to share a few small secret steps that will maximize your profit. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because that way you are not only helping me, but you're making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every month. And now, let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
So for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to digistore24.com. So make sure you spell that correctly, because this is the website that's going to make us a lot of money today. And as you can see, this is an all-in-one digital sales platform and international affiliate network. People here are selling their products, but we're not interested in that. We're going to help those. We are going to become an affiliate professionals. So basically, when someone sells their product, they want us, affiliates, to make sure that their product receives a lot of audience. And as you can see, they've got reviewed on Trustpilot, and if we click on that, we can see that they've got an excellent rating here. It's 4.6 out of 5. And as well, they've got some pretty good stars over here, some pretty nice comments. So we can see that this website is really legit and that people are really making money on it. Now, if we go back to the site and click on the affiliates section over here, it will redirect us to where we can see that you can earn up to 70% in commissions. That's crazy amount. They've got over 8,000 products on their marketplace in 44 plus niches. This site is great for affiliate marketing, and as you can see, it's perfect for affiliates, publishers, bloggers, and so on. And they've taken the time to briefly summarize the process over here. And as you can see, step 1 would be registering, step 2 would be selecting a product from the marketplace, then promoting that product to your audience. And lastly, which is most important step, you will earn profits. If you scroll down a little bit more, you will see that they've got reliable and fast payouts. So this is a really good website, and you can see some reviews down there, but you don't have to trust these necessarily. You can do your own research on the web and see whether or not these guys are legit. But now, what I want you guys to do is to click on Register Now button over here, and that will take you to this registration form. Down here, you will just need to select an affiliate over here. You will just enter in your username, and you will get your affiliate link right away in this bar over here. You enter in your email address, password, then enter some basic information about yourself, and click on this button over here. Now, if you do everything correctly, you would be redirected to your dashboard, and if you click on Marketplace, then on all offers on the affiliate marketplace, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all of the products that people sell. And as you can see, many categories on this left-hand side over here. You can choose whatever you like, and for each product, you will see how many commissions you will get. You would just have to click on this button over here, which is entitled Promote Now, and it will automatically give you your unique promo link. You should just copy that link into your clipboard, and we are ready for step number 2. And now for the second step of our method, I want you guys to connect to trends.google.com And this is Google Trends. This is the page where we can get some information on what people are searching for on the web. You can see which topics are hot right now. As you can see, coronavirus, of course, is a very hot topic. But down here, you can also see some other categories. But the one I like the most for now is make money online, and if we hit enter on this, it will show us this graph which tells us that make money online term is a very popular nowadays. I'm using it as an example to show you how you can find hot topics and hot keywords, but you can use whatever you like, maybe something in your region where you live, something is maybe more popular in that region where you live, so you should choose based on that, but this is more general one, and I think it can really work. So do some simple research and use Google Trends to see and find really hot topic, really hot keyword, and we can move to the step number 3. And for the step number 3, I want you guys to connect to reddit.com, and we all know Reddit. Reddit is basically a worldwide forum where a lot of people gather and they make a really nice traffic for your links. So I want you to type in the same keyword you choose. So in my case, it will be make money online. And there you can see plenty of conversations, plenty of people asking of how to make money online. And basically what you can do is to click on some of these questions and comment in here and pasting your affiliate link from Digistore24. Of course, you would have to first sign up on Reddit if you don't have an account there already. It should only take you like 30 seconds. It's very easy and free, of course, and you're ready for making some real cash. So people will read that comment and they will click on your link, and as soon as they go over there, you will receive a commission for that. So you will receive 85% commission off of this product, and that is some easy money. And you can do that with as many products as you like. The more time you invest in this, the more money you're going to generate. And it's totally easy. This is how your dashboard is going to look like, so you can track your earnings. You can check your earnings per click, and it's all pretty classified over here, so you can keep track of your work. And of course, Digistore24 is 100% free. You don't have to invest any money. You don't need any experience, any expensive equipment to do this. Anyone can do this as it is completely beginner friendly. And if you encounter any problems, they've got pretty nice FAQ section over here, from how do you get started to every question you run into. And they've also got pretty nice live support, which you can use to answer all of your questions. And one more traffic source which you can use is, of course, YouTube. And here I'm using a extension which is called TubeBuddy, and this shows me that this particular keyword, make money online, has got excellent search volume. So this keyword generates a lot of traffic, and as you can see, a lot of these videos got plenty of views, and that's some nice traffic for your videos. And what you can do is click on filler section over here and select Creative Commons. And that will show you the videos which are copyright videos, and the videos which, if you repost them, they will not get taken down. So basically what you're gonna do next is download these videos, and then you can repost them using the button over here which is entitled Create. You click Upload Video, and that will take you to this page where you will upload that video on your own channel. And what you're gonna do next is you will paste the affiliate link from Digistore24 in the first line of the description, telling people that on that link they can find out about more information on how they can make money online. And that is how you're going to generate that traffic to your link and make some serious amounts of cash. So guys, that's it for this video. Take care, and I will see you next time.